Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Android not vibrating or vibration is not working. So if your phone is having any issue in vibration, so let's see how can you fix that. You just have to open your settings app, and here you have to go for sounds and vibration, and here you have to make sure that you haven't enabled mute or silent mode. Here you have to make sure that you have enabled vibrate or sound mode. So after that you have to enable that vibrate while ringing. Just enable that settings. So after doing that, you just have to tap on vibration intensity to check your system vibration intensity. So you can easily manage your vibration intensity for which you want. I'm going to enable that highest intensity of vibration, just like that. Just set that, and here you have to make sure that you haven't enabled do not disturb mode, just like that. If you have enabled that setting, so you must have to disable do not disturb mode in your phone. After doing that, if your vibration is not working for any specific app, so you must have to go for your app setting, and here just look for the app for which your vibration is not working. Let's see, I'm going to look it for WhatsApp. Just tap on WhatsApp app, and here just tap on notification, and you have to make sure that you have enabled vibration for this app, just like that. As I have, if you are still having the issue, so you have to make sure that your vibrating motor or vibration system on your phone is working. So to check that, just open your dial pad app, and here just enter the code, which is star hash 0 star hash. Just enter that code and you will get this type of screen. You must have to tap on vibration to check your system vibration. If the vibration is working, so it means your vibration motor is working on the app. If this code doesn't work on your phone, just go to Play Store, go to search, and search for vibration tester. Just search for that, and here you must have to install any app. As I'm going to install, let's say this one. Just install the app, and then you can easily check if your phone vibration is working or not. You must have to wait for its installation, then we will get a checkup. After installation, just tap on open to open the app, and here you just have to check your vibration. Just tap on default or peak or pop-up. Just tap on the option and you can easily check your vibration from here. So from here, if you have checked, so if your vibration is working, so you just have to restart your phone. Just scroll down in control center, then tap on this power icon, and here just tap on restart, then tap on this option again, and your phone will be restarted. So in this way you can really fix Android vibration or vibrating mode is not working. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.